Hello everyone, in front of me is HOTWAV T5 Pro and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. At first reach settings, then select passwords and accounts and click on add account. Now choose Google, wait a couple of seconds and now provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. In my case it is email, so just let me enter it and select next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, select next. Click on I agree. And that's it. As you can see, your account has been added. Now, whenever you wish to remove it, just mark the account and then select remove. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.